Hi, this is Klaus from Lemonade, and today I want to show you the basics of how to display and control keyframe animations. Let's have a look at the result first. With our controllable character, we see how the animation changes from an idle standing animation to a walking or sprinting animation, depending on how fast we move around. Let's see how we set this up. Model files imported to Lemonade may contain keyframe animation data. And when such data is present and you add the model to your scene, then you will find a list of available animations displayed here among the mesh-specific fields in the inspector. Here each contained animation is identified with its name, like in this case static, idle, walk, and so on. And then we see three fields which say how it is currently contributing to the animation result. For example, to have the idle animation replayed per default, I have set both its weight and timescale to 1. And I left the clamp option unchecked to have this animation replay in a loop. But of course we want to change the animation during play. So we are gonna change those parameters in our code. Let's go there. Our updateAnim function is called once per update cycle, and it does two things. First, it determines which animation should be replayed based on the character speed. And second, if that animation is different from the currently running one, it arranges for a transition. For that transition, our code simply sets the target weight for the old animation to 0 and for the new animation to 1. We also specify 0.25 seconds for transition duration to tell Lemonade to assume those new weights only gradually and basically crossfade between the two motions, so we won't see any pops. Also, for the new animation we need to set the timescale to 1, so it will be replayed at the normal rate. And that's it. That's all you need to bring your models to life with keyframe animations in Lemonade. Thank you for watching.